Hello guys, in this video we'll be guiding you through how to fix Microsoft Outlook not receiving mails. So stick around to the end to get all the tips in doing this. The first spot to look at is your internet connection. Now, because your Outlook needs internet connection, you need to make sure that your internet is working. So take a moment to check if your internet connection is working properly. You can go over to fast.com and see if your internet is actually working properly online. To do this, you need to open your web browser and type in fast.com. If it starts browsing, then you know your internet is up, but if it's down, then you need to fix your internet first. The second tip to follow is to open your junk folder. Now, Outlook has a powerful inbuilt spam filter. Now, all your incoming mails are scanned for potential malicious links and common spam words. If an email triggers the spam filters, Microsoft automatically moves it to your junk folder. In most cases, this works fine, but in some cases, once in a while, Microsoft filters get it wrong and accidentally labels a normal email as spam. So you'll need to go over to the junk email. Look for the junk email on the left side menu of your screen and click on it to find your junk mail. And you just might find it right there. Also take note that if an important message lands in your spam folder, go ahead and open it and click Mark as not spam. This will prevent similar emails from being flagged as spam in the future. Now, the other option is to take a look at the Other tab. Now, Microsoft has a feature called Focused Inbox. This feature basically divides your inbox into two tabs. The Focus tab, which contains the messages that Outlook deems the most important. And the Other tab is meant for low priority emails such as promotional messages and newsletters. So it's possible that your mail has been sitting right in the Other tab, unfortunately. But fortunately for you, with this tip, you can go over to both tabs and search for your mail and see if you can find any. To fix this problem, when you find your message in the Other tab, you can right-click on it and select Move to Focus. This will help future similar messages to be put in the Focused tab. If the option to always move to focus is available, you can click on that option, Always Move to Focus, to help it remain so in future instances. And the third option is to check if you're in offline mode. Now, Microsoft Outlook has an option called Work Offline. Now, once enabled, this setting will disconnect you from the server, which means you won't be able to receive new messages. Now, in some cases, you might have turned offline mode on inadvertently. To fix this, you just need to go over to the Send and Receive option at the top area of your menu options, then go over to the three dots at the right side, click on it, and then under Preferences you will see Work Offline. And then when you click on it, this will be turned off, and at the bottom you will see Connected. Another option is to clear the Outlook cache. Now, the Outlook app saves the cache on your computer to help improve its performance and run more smoothly. In some cases, when your cache files are corrupted, this may impede receiving new emails. In order to fix this, you'll need to clear your cache. Do take note that deleting your cache files won't delete any of your Outlook emails or attachments. To clear the cache, save on any ongoing work you might have, then close Outlook. Now, on your Windows device, you can press on the Windows plus the R key, and then type in the Run dialog box, %local app data %/Microsoft/Outlook, and then press Enter. Open the Roam cache folder to view your cache files. Then make a copy of the files just to be on the safe side. After you've done that, select all the cache files, right-click on them, and then click on Delete. And then next you have the option to edit your filter settings. Now, Outlook lets you create custom email rules to organize your inbox and automate parts of your email routine. This is a great way to improve your productivity and keep your inbox clutter-free. But some email rules can be quite tricky, so if you've been experimenting with them recently, you might have put yourself in such a situation where you don't receive mails. To review your Outlook filters, go over to Settings, then Rules, and then from there, you can easily deactivate or delete any email rules you find problematic. We must also add the option where Outlook might be down. Now, Microsoft servers are quite reliable, but occasionally it is possible that Outlook app is down. There are a few ways to check this. Now, one way is to go over to X or Twitter and search for #OutlookDown to see if there are any recent tweets from other users. Also, you can go to an online platform like Downdetector and check if anyone has reported any issue with Outlook. Now, another option to check is your storage limit. Now, Outlook accounts have up to 100 gigabytes of storage per mailbox. If your mailbox is reaching its storage limit or has already maxed out on the storage limit, this might affect you receiving mails. So in order to fix this, try to go ahead and clear your account from unwanted content. Alternatively, you can save your large attachment to OneDrive. The next option is to check your blocked user list. Now, Outlook lets you block senders or a domain in just a few clicks. If this is the case that you've blocked a user, it means that Outlook automatically sends those mails to the junk folder. To access the list of blocked users, sign into your Outlook account, then go to Settings, then go to Junk Mail, and then select Blocked Senders and Domains. Scan through the list and see if your sender is there, and if yes, make sure to remove it so you can keep receiving mails from this sender. And one more tip to try is to update your Outlook. If your Outlook is out of date, you might need to go to your Play Store, your App Store, or your Microsoft Store to get your Microsoft Outlook updated. If you're using an old version of Outlook, this could explain why you're not receiving emails. So make sure to update your apps regularly. With all these options, let us know if any was helpful, and thanks for watching.